Hello everyone. So the last topic of this unit is AOI circuits. The full form of AOI is AND or inverter. So we will try to understand these AOI circuits with the help of two examples. So first example is this. So this is basically the CMOS implementation of the expression, that is y equal to a plus b dot c. B dot c is in bracket. So this is basically AND operation of b and c plus a. So a is in OR operation with b and c. As we all know that when I am implementing the expression a plus bc, I will get at the output the complement of this, means I will get a plus bc bar. So basically I have to apply one inverter at the output to get the output a plus bc. So we can see that in this circuit implementation, it is basically these two gates are in series, because this is B dot C. MOSFET A is in parallel with BC, so this is A plus BC, and the output is applied at the inverter. So this is AND, this complete is OR, and this is inverter. That's why it is called AND or invert gate circuits. So as we all know that how to implement this expression a plus bc bar, we have already discussed so many examples. So we have to apply b dot c in series because there is an AND operation. So bc is in series, a is in parallel, means OR operation. So a is in parallel because it is basically OR operation. So the complete NMOS expression is a plus bc. So after drawing this NMOS expression, the reverse is applied to the PMOS. So if B and C are in series in NMOS, so they must be in parallel in case of PMOS. And if A is in parallel with BC, so it must be in series with BC combination. So the reverse is basically used for PMOS. The output expression is a plus bc bar. So to get a plus b dot c, we have to apply an inverter at the output terminal. Simple. So these are basically AND or invert circuit. We can say these circuits as OR and invert also. So the next example is OR and invert function. So this example is basically for the expression a plus b dot c plus d dot e bar. So this is OR operation, this is OR operation, these dots are for AND operation, and this complement is for inverter. So we can draw So first of all, we will draw this expression for NMOS, or we will explain this expression with the help of NMOS. So A and B are in parallel, A plus B. So A plus B, AB are in parallel. C and D, C plus D. So C and D, they are in parallel. E, it is in series with A plus B and C plus D. So E is in series with A plus B and C plus D. So we have completed our NMOS portion. So if A and B are in parallel in case of NMOS, so they must be in series in case of PMOS. So they are in series, A and B, in the case of PMOS. If C and D are in parallel, if C and D are in parallel, then they must be in series in case of PMOS. So C and D, they are in series in case of PMOS, and if E in series in case of NMOS, so it must be parallel with PMOS. So this series combination of NMOS is represented as the parallel combination of PMOS. There is no requirement of inverter because our expression is the complement of A plus B dot C plus D dot E. So this is the representation of this expression, that is G, with the help of OAI function. So in this unit we have discussed what is stick diagram, what is the need of stick diagram, what are the basic rules for NMOS stick diagram, CMOS stick diagram. Then we have discussed a number of examples of NMOS stick diagram and CMOS stick diagram. Then we have discussed layout design rules for NMOS and CMOS. What is the requirement of layout design rules? What are the basic rules? And what is the advantage of lambda based design rules? We have implemented expression for inverter, NAND gate, NOR gate with the help of lambda based design rules. And then we have discussed AOI circuits. These are AND or invert, or we can say OR and invert. So basically in this unit we have discussed the two main points, that is stick diagram and layout. And after layout designing, we have to send these pictures, or we can say these expressions, to the VLSI foundries for the fabrication of IC. So I hope you all have the knowledge of stick diagram and layout of CMOS and NMOS at this point. Thank you.